Yeah. Come on. Shoot more. Got some fireworks here, but you can't really see them. God, some bright lights. Yeah, he has his brights on. That's why. Moron. Yeah, you can barely see him over there. They probably have more of this. Oh, that was loud. Wow. Ugh. That cleared my ears up. Mom wants to watch. We got more fireworks coming. Film Nation back on the ground from hitting that booty from behind. Watch some fireworks. Some fireworks. Hopefully I could do like an hour or something. You can hear them all over, but you can't really see them. See? I hope we could shoot out more. See, they're everywhere. I should have bought some fireworks this year. You can't barely see those ones. Damn train away. There we go. They're everywhere. I guess that's it. You get them everywhere, you just can't see them. Some people are shooting on the ground and stuff, but where's this damn tree roaring the way? Wow, see that? Holy shit. You don't want to watch them?
She kind of went.
She's probably tired.
We'll see.
You missed a lot of them.
That's there. You can just barely see
Right there. Wish that tree wasn't in the way. You need to cut that tree down, Uncle Mike. Serves no purpose. I remember they were shooting off a bunch of fireworks last year.
Yeah, somebody down that way was shooting them off.
Yeah, it was them.
I remember we were watching them down there.
That's different neighbors too.
Well, that big RV just pulled in
Yeah.
earlier today. I saw the guy backing up around 4,
Yeah.
5 o'clock.
Yes. Remember the ones that were fighting fireworks last year? That was other neighbors.
Yeah. But nobody on this end of the street shooting anything.
I guess they didn't want to this year. That was New Year's too, when we saw that.
Because I remember you could just barely see over there. Every once in a while you'd see the glow. And somebody else was shooting them down there.
A lot of cars come over here, huh? I remember you could put fireworks in the middle of the street and no car would come. Can't see any of the other ones though. The ones that were right here before, you could barely see them.
Yeah. Every once in a while you see one over the rooftop there.
Right there, but those trees are in the way. All the trees are in the way.
Right there you can see too, somebody else is shooting. And then over here, every once in a while you see one.
Yeah. Right there, right there. I knew when they made that Publix, the traffic down this road is gonna be like, oh, there it goes. Oh! That went everywhere. You saw that?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, when they made them that Publix, I was like,
One of them just dropped in the yard, see?
yeah,
Oh, there's
right
another
there.
one. Jeremy threw a sparkler on our roof one day, you know?
Yeah, I remember that.
We weren't home. If Mike Harkey hadn't told me about it, I never would have known.
There's more over there. Everybody's shooting them off.
Who is that over there? That's Chris.
Yeah, that's Chris. No, it's a hat. Uncle Mike is right there.